Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 3. A viewer, wait, no, he said he was a subscriber. Sent me another way to do this because the way I'm doing it is really tedious. But if you look the way I'm doing it with his, and we'll just do it, it's not the same as this. And I've tried it a couple different ways to make sure I was correct. And I still don't know if I am. But let's just do it. If you take a 6-sided polygon and hit P, and then Control D and make a duplicate and hold down the Shift key so it'll be grown from the inside. And then you take that and make it a 3-sided polygon, and then take that shape and make it a 3-sided polygon, and you can just type in your numbers. And then we're going to take this one, but we have to alternate C it to make it rotate from the center. And if we just angle it, and then you grab your blend docker, and it kind of works. And I really thank you for sending that. But it's not that. If you look, this is more like a curved line, and your way, I mean, it's cool. This is almost a straight line. You know, if we drew a line from that one to that one, I mean, it's a straight line. It is a straight line. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Now, if you were only doing maybe a small section of it, let's try making this thing bigger, holding down the Shift key, and then Control alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And if you were just going to do, see, it's not in the center. Almost have to back up because I can see now it's not in the center where that is. Maybe I can't grow it with the Shift tool. Say it's not in the center. So, you know, another way you could do this is go to effects and contour just one time to the inside, like 4 inches. And see, that's going to be in the center. But then you have to go to object and break the contour apart. So let's do it. Let's do it differently. Let's go, let's just contour 1 inch. And then if you take that, you got to break the contour apart. And we're going to grab that and alternate C, and then rotate it where it's almost touching. And then blend these two. No, that didn't work. And the reason that didn't work is if the arrow's going that way and the arrow's going that way. So the contour tool doesn't work in that case. Let's just start over. And let's take a 6-sided polygon and hit P. I never knew that would happen. Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the Shift key. Bring that in. And then let's make them 3-sided. Make this 3-sided. And then grab that alternate C. So it'll see, it's going to think it's going to rotate from there, but when I do it, it rotates from there. And have it just almost touch. And then blend it just like 10 times. You get a more curve, but I'm afraid when we do this smaller and then rotate it, because see, one, you're not going to know how far you can go. Alternate C. Well, that's not good. Maybe I didn't start in the center of the page. Let me just start all over. So, sorry. P, center of the page. Control D. Bring this in. Then change it to a 3-sided. Change this to a 3. I get used to just clicking down. And then let's rotate that from the center, alternate C. do it quite a bit, and then select them both and go like 30. What you're going to get ones that are overriding. I mean, these are not what we want. You know, the only thing I could think is take away the link acceleration. No, that didn't work. Apply sizing. Nope. Well, maybe I didn't hit it right. So I'm learning as you're learning. Nope. It's pretty cool, but the example he showed me, he just didn't have as many. There's my best one of it, but this is what you're going to get doing it. I hate to say it, the tedious way. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, mirror that over, run to the node, and see, it's just not the same. We're not getting the same effect as what we did in here. And see, there's a straight one. But I truly appreciate him suggesting that. I just don't, unless you can prove me wrong, my friend, I don't think it's going to look like that. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.